Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in cause number 0138093. In the court, the case is filed in the matter of Lakeisha Renee Thomas Temple. I have before me Ms. Temple, is that correct?
Yes, currently Glosson.
Glosson, okay.
Temple is previous.
Okay. And how are you doing, Ms. Glosson?
I'm good.
That's good.
Thank you.
Ms. Glosson, you're here represented by your attorney Baldwin Samuel. Attorney Samuel, how are you doing?
It's a wonderful day, sir.
State is represented by Attorney Raymond Shearer. Attorney Shearer, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Your Honor.
Mr. Samuel, I have before me a petition for order of non-disclosure under section 411.0725 of Texas Government Code.
Yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Samuel, are you ready to, hold on a minute.
Yes, I am.
Mr. Samuel, you can go forward.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, Ms. Lakeisha Renee Thomas Temple is here. We're petitioned under 411.0725. And this is a request for non-disclosure based on a judgment that was entered on November the 1st, 2007. And it was ended October 30th, 2008. This is a case that occurred prior to 2017. Therefore, we're moving forward under 411.0725, in which she meets the criteria. She received a discharge that is a record. We asked the court to take judicial notice of the judgment in this case, as well as the dismissal that is also a part of the record, and we're asking the court to take judicial notice of the dismissal of the offense. And this is not an offense that would be covered under the penal code, section 4904 or 4906. And it's not a misdemeanor that is prohibited by the code. So she meets all the criteria, and she's not been convicted or placed under deferred adjudication for any other offense other than the one that we're presently here on today. And with that, Your Honor, we ask that the court enter a judgment of non-disclosure.
Okay, and just, Mr. Samuel, would you, one of the requirements that it has to be in the best interest of justice, would you just please state to the record, or you can actually
Yes, we believe that it would be in the best interest of justice to issue this order for non-disclosure.
Okay. State, you have any questions?
State has no questions, Your Honor. In fact, the state is in support of this petition. We feel like that the petitioner is entitled to the non-disclosure, and it would actually be in the interest of justice because this was something that happened many years ago for her, and she's moved on with life.
Okay. Now, Mr. Samuel, I note that, well, in your petition, let's see, it stated that Ms. Thomas Temple had pled guilty no contendere on November 1st of 2001. However, I think in your proof, you stated that it was November 1st of 2007, and I think I'm looking at the deferred adjudication order as well as the deferred adjudication order, and it was November 1st of 2007 as you presented. Also, I think that you had stated that she received an order dismissal.
Yes.
On October 30th of 2008.
Correct.
And okay. So are you making a trial amendment to your petition?
Yes, Your Honor. On the petition, it said November 1st, 2016. That was a typographical error that I did not catch until this morning. I did present to the state that it was a typographical error, and we're making an oral amendment to that.
State, you have any
The state has
objections?
no objection.
Okay. Okay, so, Ms. Thomas Temple, the court, is going to grant your, is going to grant an order of non-disclosure, under section 411.0725 of the Texas Government Code. And now, Mr. Samuel, oh, where is it? Did I already do it? Okay, Mr. Samuel, the court has a standard order in these type cases. Oh, let me do this before I go any further. The court is going to take judicial notice of the criminal case, which is cause number 268002-2.
Right.
And so the court will take judicial notice of all the documents that's in that case. And the court is going to, as stated earlier, the court is going to grant an order of non-disclosure. In this case, the court finds that in this case, the previous case, Thomas Temple is eligible for non-disclosure, and the court finds that Ms. Thomas Temple has met the requirements for the granting of a non-disclosure in this case. Now, Mr. Samuel, you had something else?
No, Your Honor, you mentioned there's a standard order. We did submit to the court an order for this, but it's.
Yeah. I see the order here, but I think there's a standard order. There's some information that has to be provided in this order and that information is in the court's file, is in cause number 268002-2. It's in the criminal case. So the court is going to take that information and incorporate it in the court's order.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Ms. Temple, congratulations. The court will be drafting and signing that order today.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, y'all, you're free to go.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, y'all have a blessed day. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket and the motion and the petition for non-disclosure that was scheduled on today's date. In County Court of Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence